Blending traditional Sashiko craft with modern streetwear, Nike's Zoom Vomero 5 Pale Ivory headlines an upcoming Fall 2025 capsule. The design features tumbled leather, off-white mesh, and tan suede overlays that evoke a hand-stitched, organic feel. Pops of orange on the lace lock and midfoot shank break up the earthy palette, while woven textures and edge stitching nod to Japanese textile artistry. Despite its crafted look, the sneaker retains its performance roots with layered panels, molded heel clips, and muted soles. This deconstructed aesthetic extends across the collection, which also includes pairs like the Air Max 90. Although no launch date has been confirmed, expect a drop on Nike.com later this fall. Fusing functionality, cultural storytelling, and premium materials, the Pale Ivory pack is a statement in quiet craftsmanship and thoughtful design, perfect for those drawn to subtle yet striking sneakers.